What's up guys, hey Anthony here at inGear, and today we're going to take a look at an even better helmet with a question mark. Is it a better helmet? We currently have the Heritage version of the helmets, which we love, which we've done a video about before, so you can go and check that out. But this one is the upgraded MIPS edition helmet. So we're going to take a look, we're going to unbox it, see what it looks like, and see if it's worth the extra $40, $45, which I think it's going to be. So here we go. This one is Racer Black. Ooh, look at this. All right. Love the bag that it comes in with. It's definitely a different texture. The other one is kind of like a burlap. This one is nice. It's almost like a suede. So great bag. So I definitely love the color of that. That's nice. What we got going here? Tape. Okay. Adapter kit for the light. Wow, they really glued that on there. Look at, they use like, this is the most industrial glue that they can make. So this is a magnetic helmet tail light. I don't think so. How many guys does it take to unbox a light? So, okay, first impressions. If that's all the light that comes out of this thing, we have a problem. Okay.
You tried turning it off and turning it back on.
Listen here, camera guy. Okay, we're gonna set this aside for now because I don't think that's gonna save my life from a driver, especially a distracted one. Okay, cool. Let's open up the helmet, just see what it looks like. Oh, ooh, I love it. It's definitely lighter than my other helmet. And it's really cool on the inside. Cool, so this is a MIPS certified helmet. MIPS is a brain protection system, so basically it reduces the rotational impact for a brain injury. So having a MIPS style helmet, something that's certified, is really helpful. All right, so they use the same buckle as before. They still have the little turnstile tightener, which I really like. I find it really helpful. Rechargeable light, which is nice. So maybe the battery is just a little, doesn't come fully charged. Oop, snaps right. Oh, there we go. So it has to be, oh, I like that. It like activated. Cool. Sweet, I love it. All right, let's get this guy to the helmet. So the light has a couple different features and functions, which I think is really helpful. I think we do a lot of riding at night, and if I have my wife on the back and no one can see here, maybe the tail lights aren't great on the bike that we're actually riding. This is really helpful. I'd rather have as much light as possible so that drivers can see what's going on. And I love the fact that this just, boom, magnetic. The magnet is like really strong. Oops. I mean, you can see how strong that is. I'm not even selling it. It's like, it's on there. So it's also upside down. But I like it. I think 1000 did a really good job. I hope that more helmets integrate these types of things because I love the fact that it's rechargeable and it's not permanently connected to the helmet thing. And this right here is just a different attachment for, let's say, your bike seat, or even underneath the bike seat where we have a rack. So this would fit right on the back of the rack and we can add some blinking lights. So we love it. There's a couple different settings on the light, which I think is nice too. So you can have it on constant. And as soon as you put it onto the helmet, it automatically turns on, which is nice too. So you can just have it in your pocket, throw it on, and it turns on automatically, which I think is a pretty cool feature. It's a standard USB charger. It comes with a cable. It's a pretty short cable. I mean, by short, it's like 2 inches. But any USB, regular micro USB, will give this a charge. So we'll turn that off. So it also has constant, which I think is nice. And then to turn it off, we're just gonna hold it. Another one of the features that we like about 1000 helmets is the fact that we can cable lock this to our bike. So it's standard, got the magnetic right there. It came with a bungee again. The bungees can sometimes come loose, so I think in the future it might be good to find something maybe just a little bit stronger, but I mean, unless you're really aggressive with your helmet, it's unlikely that that's gonna come off. So we love it. I also like the visor. I think the visor is kind of neat. It looks like you can take this visor off, but I kind of like it. Let's put it on. Oh my gosh, he has hair. Ooh, definitely a fan of the color. Great, so overall, fantastic helmet. I think MIPS certified helmets are the way to go, or some sort of certified helmet is the way to go, because obviously in the event of a crash, your brain is the most important thing, and so the more protection, the better. I love 1000 helmets. This is definitely a little bit lighter of a helmet than the ones, the Heritage helmet, and I think because it has these air vents, which I think will be nice too, riding a lot. You know, it's hot on your head. The other helmet's a little heavier. It has a different finish, but I still like it. I love the color, so I think this helmet's a win. So we'll leave a link below. You can check it out. They have a lot of different color options, so feel free to order one, and stay tuned as we jump into our next video. We should do a video where I like mock cut my thumb off or something like that.